first just draw curved lines like that all over. If you want, you could copy it. So if you do that, you have to do it like parallel like me all over. And now you have to draw a straight line because we're drawing the bridge. So you have to draw parallel like that. And now you have to draw two lines on both sides. After you do it, you could now start with the sun. Okay, now the sun's over. It's time to shade. I'm using the HB pencil, 5HB pencil, to shade on the corners and sometimes in the middle. So first, after you do it like that in the corner, you have to take a 2B pencil, and you have to do it like approximately until the bridge ends. So yeah, like until there. Now you have to take a 5HB pencil and just do some part, and yeah, you just have to continue with the 2HB pencil. Now just take a normal pencil and start drawing lines like that. And copy the top part on the down part now. If you copied it, now you have to just start taking a 5HB pencil, or actually a 2HB pencil, and shading that in. And now you just have to take a 5HB pencil and do it like I did. Now it's time for the sun. Just take a 5B pencil and go around the curve like I did. And I'd say you do it a bit thick and dark. So now you just have to take a tissue or a blender, it's your wish, and you have to blend it in. Now I blended in everything except the sun. Now I blended the sun.